Yeah, so you have probably clicked on this video because your channel is not good enough to get views. So I'm today going to be showing you on 100% working life hack with Python how you can create a view multiplier robot with just 20 lines of simple Python code. So this is the code that we are gonna writing, and I'm just gonna be um, deleting all of this, and I'm gonna be showing you step by step how this code is done. So I will just go right there and I will delete all of this. Yeah. So the first thing that I have to do is that I have to import a few libraries. But before we jump into the code, we have to install a Chrome driver. So I'm just gonna go on my default web browser, that is Safari, and I will be going on download Chrome driver. So after you have done that, you can go on to the link down in the description, and I'm just going to type the link, that is https just a minute, https, and so https slash that was Chrome. Yeah, so this was it, chromiums.org. I will leave the link down in the description so you can check it out from there. So I'm just gonna go on the downloads folder, and then I will find all these versions. So to find the version of your Chrome, you can head on to your Chrome browser. You can go on to the three dots in the right up corner. You can go on help and about Chrome. I will just maximize the window, and as you can see, it is showing that the version is 89.0. So I'm just gonna get rid of this, and I'm gonna close all these Chrome drivers. So yeah, so after you've done that, you can, yeah, so my version is 89 and most of your Chrome versions would be 89 only. So you can just press on this, and this will take you to a page, some sort of this. So this is just a binary file. So if you are on Mac, you can press on this. If you are on your Mac on the M1 chip, you can press on this. Windows for this and Linux for this. After you've done that, you can just click it, and as you can see, you will have it downloaded right here. As you can see, Chrome driver. And after you're done that, you can just like get it out of this window and head back to your text editor. I will just maximize the window, and as I was saying, you have to import a library. So from Selenium, we have to import a library named WebDriver. Then from time, we have to import a library named Sleep. Yeah. After you have done that, you have to create the drivers. So I will just be creating driver 1, that would be equals to the WebDriver dot Chrome. So WebDriver.chrome, and that would be in parenthesis, and that would be executable path, and here I have to write the path where I have the Chrome driver downloaded. So I'm just going to go on my Finder and downloads. As you can see, my Chrome driver is right here down, Chrome driver. So I'm just gonna write the whole path, that is slash users slash my name, then instead of this question mark, you can just slash, then there would be downloads, and after that there would be Chrome driver. Yeah, so that is it, and you can just copy this line for a second. I will copy it, and then I will paste it 3 times. So the number of times you put this line into your code, those much windows will be opening as Chrome, and will be refreshing in every 20 seconds to get views. So you can tell according to the RAM and the storage that you have in your computer how much lines would you be needing. So I'm just gonna be going by 3. You can do maximum 5 or 4. but over that will overstress your computer and it will be heated up in 10 to 15 minutes. So that's not what we want. So after you've done that, you can just go on to driver 1. So dot get, we have to dot get. Yeah, so now in speech brackets in parentheses we have to specify the URL, the video that we want to promote. So right here I'm gonna go on my channel, and so let's see which channel, which video has the most less views. So yeah, as you can see, this one, but this video is being processed, and so I'm just gonna go with this video. So I'm just gonna get a shareable link, and as you can see the link was copied. So I'll just paste the link, and I'm gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna paste it 3 times, and then I will just press driver 2 and then driver 3. Then we have to create a while loop to keep it running, the process keep running, and we have to refresh the page every 20 seconds. So while true, you have to sleep for the number of seconds you want the driver to be refreshed. So it should be minimum 20 seconds and maximum whatever you want. So the less the seconds you give, the more RAM it takes. So I'm just gonna go by 30, by 30, and then we are just gonna go by driver 1. So driver 1 dot refresh, parenthesis again, driver 2 dot refresh, parenthesis, and the last one would be driver 3 dot refresh, parenthesis. Yeah, so after you've done that, is the whole code that we need to promote a video, and after that I'm just gonna run the code. And yeah, now as you can see, now those 3 browsers will be opening, that is 1, 2 and 3. So 1, that will be 2, this will be 3. First I'm just gonna mute all the videos so that there is no disturbance. So mute this one.
Hello everybody and welcome to my channel once again. So in this video we'll be learning...
I'm just gonna mute this one too. So yeah, mute it.
Hello everybody and welcome to my channel once again.
Then
so in this video we'll be learning...
I'm gonna mute in the last one. So our every 20 seconds this site will be reloaded, and there will be an extra 3 views. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial, and I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please smash the like button down there and subscribe to my channel, because I will be uploading Python tutorials and HTML tutorials, ethical hacking tutorials on a daily basis, and it will be proven really useful for you if you subscribe to this channel, and it will encourage me to make more content, and I'll see you next time.